You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel, and thank you for joining me in another cleaning video. Today's video I will be deep cleaning my kitchen. This is something that needed to be done for a few days now, and today was just the perfect day to do that. Anyways, I really hope you guys are able to pull some motivation from today's video, especially if you're like me and just put things off. There was just stuff all over the sink, all over the walls. I needed to wipe down the refrigerator and just get everything all done. I couldn't believe how messy my kitchen is, but it looks so much better now. After giving my sink a really good deep clean, I usually like to dry it off. I know that's really weird, especially because I constantly use the sink. I don't know why I do it. Let me know if this is something you guys do and can relate to, but I just like the way the sink looks when it's dried off. I hate the smell of just still water. So every time I use the sink, I always dry it out. That way it prevents mildew buildup, especially when where the food collector is, and just in the drains.
You cut me loose and set me free. You cut me loose. You make me win every way. You show me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day.
The next thing I'm going to be doing is just deep cleaning my counters and disinfecting. I am using the multi-purpose cleaner from the Growth Collaborative. Once again, this is in the smell Apple Blossom or Apple Pear. It's really nice smelling. It's a concentrate. You can actually buy these over at Target now, but I wanted to make sure to go in and just disinfect and wipe down the counters as well as the walls. There was coffee splatter all over the walls, as well as pasta sauce near the stove. For the stove, I am just using the Mr. Clean Freak. I highly recommend this for deep cleaning anything that has a lot of grease buildup. It also has a really nice smell to it. I'm using the one in the lavender smell, and I highly recommend this. It works so good on appliances, in the bathroom, on doors, anything stainless steel. So yeah, once again, I did get this over at Target.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive. I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end.
This floor definitely needed a really good deep cleaning. After the video, I did go in and mop it, but I did not record that just because, once again, I got a really bad angle. My camera ended up shifting, so it was pointing more towards the floor. But anyways, it did need a good cleaning because the back door, and there was a lot of foot traffic lately, so there was a lot of grass from the lawn being mowed, and it just kind of got tracked in. I actually despise this back door just because of how dirty it makes my kitchen, and really the kitchen isn't a place you want to put your shoes. And you can't really make people take shoes off outside before coming in. I don't know, let me know what you guys would recommend for this. I have tried area rugs, but they get stuck under the door. It's always a mess, and I'm constantly sweeping.
Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming
again, I am blaming the constant foot traffic in and out of the back door for all of these gross fingerprints. I am once again going in with the Mr. Clean Freak to get this all nice and clean because it was really just off-putting, and I just want to make sure that I got it squeaky clean, and it looks so much better now that it is nice and washed. This is something I'm going to start doing constantly with us using the back door more often and just going outside and enjoying the weather. Let me know what the weather is like where you live down in the comments below.
It's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever.
Now, I know this looks really gross. I tend to not look at the bottom of my fridge much. The drawers are mainly for fruits and vegetables, and yeah, I do use the fruits and vegetables, but this is just one place I really don't think of cleaning very often. If you guys want to see a refrigerator clean with me, let me know down in the comments below, because my whole fridge could use a really good emptying and deep cleaning. As you can see just from the bottom of the fridge, the drawers didn't look too bad today, but just in general, I think it would be a good idea for me to clean my refrigerator more and just go through everything that is in there, because there was some expired apples, and that really tells how long they've been in there, since apples take forever to expire. But it does look so much better now. The refrigerator smells good, and I just want to give everything just a really, really good wipe down. I mean, how many times can I say wipe down in my video?
Lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We are two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod. That we are two peas in a pod. Now I know why never.
So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me in another clean with me. I hope you guys were able to pull so much motivation from today's video. And these are all the products that I used in today's video, just in case you guys were wondering. But anyways, if you like cleaning videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I do tons of cleaning videos. I am working on a room transformation for my daughter. If you guys are interested in seeing that, also give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. But I look forward to seeing you guys all in my next video. Bye!